Sunsets were golden, the skies were so clear. We danced through the evenings without any fear. Now shadows are longer and laughter is rare. Gone are the days when we didn't care. Gone are the days when we loved without shame. Gone are the nights when we called out each name. Time keeps on ticking and leaving its trace. Gone are the days we could never replace. Roads that we traveled, now covered in dust. Memories fading like old iron rust. We chased all our dreams with hearts set ablaze. Gone are the days we were lost in the haze. Gone are the days when we loved without shame. Gone are the nights when we called out each name. Time keeps on ticking and leaving its trace. Gone are the days we could never replace. Gone are the days when we loved without shame. Gone are the nights when we called out each name. Time keeps on ticking and leaving its trace. Gone are the days we could never replace. Roads that we traveled, now covered in dust. Memories fading like old iron rust. We chased all our dreams with hearts set ablaze. Gone are the days we were lost in the haze. Oh, gone are the days when we loved without shame. Gone are the nights when we called out each name. Time keeps on ticking and leaving its trace. Gone are the days we could never replace. Faces we cherished, now haunting our sleep. Promises made that we couldn't keep. Ties that were broken and words that were cold. Gone are the days when we felt so bold. Gone are the days when we loved without shame. Gone are the nights when we called out each name. Time keeps on ticking and leaving its trace. Gone are the days we thought life was great. Gone are the days when we loved without shame. When we called out each name. Time keeps on ticking and leaving its trace. Gone are the days we could never replace. Gone are the days when we loved without shame. Gone are the nights when we called out each name. Time keeps on ticking and leaving its trace. Gone are the days we thought life was grass. Silent the echoes of what used to be. Love letters hidden and locked with a key. Moments that slipped through our fingers like sand. Gone are the days we thought life was grand. Close